Let's connect your StarTrader broker account with the platform. Start by selecting StarTrader Broker and click on Open Account. Begin creating your account by filling in your basic information, then click on Continue. Next, select your nationality, enter your email address, and click on Send Code. Verify your email using the code received. Then set a secure password and create your account. Tick the Agreement checkbox and submit the form. You can skip or close the Personal Information section for now. Now, go to the Account section and click on Open Account. Select your account type: a live account for real trading or a demo account for practice. Enter the required details and click on Submit. Switch to the Demo Accounts tab, where your newly created account will be visible. Check your registered email inbox, where you will receive your MT5 login credentials. Now, go back to the Bynix platform. In Step 4, enter your Bynix login credentials. In Step 5, enter your account name, paste your login ID, select the correct server and MT5 server, and enter your password. Finally, click on Submit MT5 Details. And that's it. You'll be redirected to your dashboard, and your broker account will be successfully connected.